Good morning. It's International Pi Day. The mathematical pi, not the apple pie. This is part of my Drag for Older series. This is a how not to video. Well, last night I tried doing the RuPaul's Drag Race total carving down the face with dark, the middle with super light, glued down my eyelids. And I looked like crap, and I looked like dead, and I went out because I spent all that time, an hour and a half, got my brushes all dirty. So I went to where I usually hang out, and the waitress said, "How are you?" And I said, "I blew my makeup." And she said, "You look great." And I said, "I look dead." And she said, "Yes, you do." Because I kind of looked like a gray Day of the Dead kind of thing. So I sat there and had a hamburger and some tea and went home and washed it off. $20 worth of makeup, literally down the drain. I used the very darkest tone you can buy. Dark, unsweetened chocolate color. Made of V. Used super white. All it did was bring out my pores. And then I put foundation over it. 2 layers of foundation. Very light foundation, very ivory, and couldn't hide the almost black that was under here. So total failure. This is something else that I personally don't believe in, is the short bob wig parted down the middle and glasses. It's Monday morning. I went to my coffee place, and because I always show up in drag, everyone's always happy to see me. It's Jane. And I went in like this, and almost dead silence, and they looked distressed. And this happened once before. The bar that I hang out in, I always go try to look fabulous, and I went. This is my adult mock-up, and everyone was the same. They looked distressed. So I guess youth is the way to go. I have this wig sitting on my mannequin, and the mannequin has a very small head, and it looks cute. I put this on this morning. My thought was, it doesn't look cute on a large head, and it doesn't. And glasses don't help. They hide your eyebrows. They make your eyes look either bigger or smaller depending on the prescription. They kill the under eye area. And I never look good. So here it is without the glasses. Still, I see hundreds of girls with a U who live like this. They have their short wig, no makeup, thin lips, and usually they're man glasses. And this is not attractive. Look like the bitchy lady at the motor vehicle, or your French teacher, or somebody's mom, the head of the real estate office. It's not a good look. So I said don't recommend this. What I recommend is hair that's parted on the side, flipped up here if you can get it, down to about here, and then massive curls. Curls for girls. And you'll do better. It's all about visuals. Men are visual creatures. And they're like crows. They're attracted to shiny objects. So Please consider being a shiny object instead of a haystack. This is like the Jolly Green Giant old TV series or cartoon or whatever it was.